Hey, it's Kristen, and today I'm doing a makeup tutorial. Even though I did quit makeup for pretty much an entire year, and I was wearing makeup very rarely, now I do wear makeup a little bit more often. I feel like the whole quitting makeup thing, it was really great for my confidence and for me to build a better relationship with makeup, but just my face in general. Before, makeup to me was just about covering up acne, covering up dark circles, making my small eyes look bigger, making my nose look smaller, that kind of thing. And now makeup to me is just about playing with colors. And I've also found some makeup brands that actually use more natural ingredients because I don't like putting toxic things on my face, okay? I don't like it. So I am gonna get started. I'm too much of a head right now. This is just too much head happening. Okay, first off, I'm using a toner on my face. This is from Amala, and it's called Purified Blue Lotus. I would do a close-up, but my camera doesn't have autofocus, so right over here, I'll just put it next to my face. And you're supposed to spray it on a cotton ball and then kind of dab that on your face, but I don't want to use cotton. I want to keep my makeup routine as zero waste as possible, so I just spray it on my face. And then I just dab it with my hands that are clean, so it's not a problem. I ordered a lot of things from Pacifica for gifts and also for myself. So I'm gonna try a few things out today for the first time. So I just got this from iHerb, and it's a BB cream. I don't like to use brushes on my skin. I just wash my hands and use my hands instead, because I know for a fact that I'm not gonna wash a brush every single time that I use it. So this to me is a lot safer for my skin. Ooh, this looks like it matches my skin tone. Yay! I thought it was gonna be a lot brighter and I was a little bit worried. So this color is called a light. I think a light is definitely for olive skin tones. I think they also have another one which is for lighter skin, but unfortunately they're not at all inclusive when it comes to different skin tones, so this is a big drawback with Pacifica. And that's in general a big drawback with most natural beauty brands. They really don't make for darker skin tones anything. It's like we're back in the 90s or 80s. I really like this. It doesn't really cover too much, but it makes my skin look very dewy. Okay, I'm a fan. Next up, I'm using the Dreamlit Illuminating Under Eye Brightener from Pacifica, and I haven't used an under eye brightener in a very long time. I've just been using this concealer from e.l.f. It's a bit too thick to use for under your eyes, so I wouldn't recommend it. So let's see. Is it going to brighten my under eyes? Or is it going to make me look like a crazy person? I'm not crazy about this. It's a little too oily, so it's making my bags kind of shine. Maybe the shininess goes away, but for now I'm not loving it so much, and it's not really covering up the blueness from under my eyes. I don't know if it's noticeable from the camera, but from far away I have a mirror over there and I'm looking at it and it's like my under eyes are just glowing. It's like, look at my bags, look at them, they're here. Look at how glowy they are. Not loving this so much. Illuminating. I mean, it's definitely illuminating. I guess I didn't want them to be illuminated, to be honest. But it's okay, I can work with this. This is a concealer from e.l.f., but I think they've discontinued this one, so I'm just gonna link the newest version of it below. And I just cover up some breakouts that are healing. Oh, let's talk about skin stuff, yeah. Okay, I've had acne for so many years, since I was a teenager, and then I took Accutane, and it went away, and then it came back. Yeah, so Accutane isn't guaranteed to remove your acne, which is something that you should know before you take Accutane, because it's really not worth taking it from the moment that my acne came back. My skin got a lot better after quitting dairy, but after quitting dairy, I've kind of noticed a lot of other foods that trigger my acne. One of them is sugar, fried foods. You know, those are kind of the basics, but also for me, soy is a huge trigger. And for some reason, it's only GMO soy. Non-GMO soy doesn't really bother me that much, which is weird. And cashews make me break out a lot. Oh, peanuts, peanut butter, tahini, which is the only thing that I do eat almost every day because like I can't live without tahini. What am I supposed to eat, you know? All junk food pretty much. All junk food makes me break out. Chocolate bars and just in general anything unhealthy from the sweet or the salty side makes me break out. So it's really fun being me. Oh wow, I've been recording for 27 minutes, shit, and I've done nothing yet. Oh no. The eyebrows, I just do this. I just take this little eyebrow brush and I brush my eyebrows. I do that and my eyebrows are done. So I tried this yesterday, so this isn't gonna be a surprise to me, but I really love this shade. It's called Nudist, and it's the Enlightened Gloss Nourishing Mineral Shine, and this looks really nice. And it's pretty much the almost exact same color as my lips, which I like that. It just makes them a little bit more alive. Okay, I could honestly stop here and be pretty happy, but I'm gonna keep going because this is a makeup tutorial. It's supposed to be extra. If you don't look like a drag queen by the end of it, you're not doing it right, honey. So now I am gonna bring my brushes out. These are all vegan brushes, so synthetic, not from real animals, because I am not a monster, okay? And or Kylie Jenner. This brush is supposed to be for like powder, but I just use it for blush. And this is my palette from Pacifica, and I just go here. There we go. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of this color first on the eyelid. And now I'm using a smaller brush. I'm gonna go into the color that I used for blush. And I'm gonna go in the crease of my eyelid and I'm just gonna make it pop. I'm using this brush over here. Can you see it? I can't. I'm way too far. So yeah, I'm just gonna go into the golden, and right along the lash line, I'm gonna add a little bit of golden. Whoa, and also just another thing that I'm noticing is that this illuminating under eye brightener is caking up a lot underneath my eyes. Not loving it. Wow, we've been having so many technical difficulties. It's been crazy. I have not done eyeliner. Whew. So this one is from e.l.f. It is the Intense Ink Eyeliner in the blackest black. I have not tried this out yet. It's really light. Could it be empty? I don't know. Oh no, nope, it's definitely not empty. Let's try it out. I haven't worked with a pen like this before, so I'm struggling a little bit because the grip is so thick. It's so stressful doing the wing of the eyeliner. This is why I've stopped wearing eyeliner. Also, it doesn't feel like the blackest black, honestly. It feels like kind of a little bit of a charcoal black. This is why I hate eyeliner. And mascara. This one from Pacifica, Stellar Gaze. I got it last year and it's kind of run out / expired, so I got a new one because I'm very happy with it. It's really hard applying your makeup and filming it at the same time, by the way. And finally, highlighter. This one is Feeling Younger from Lush, and this highlighter is just amazing. I'll just take a tiny bit from the cap. I don't even have to go in the pot because I don't even need that much. And I just dab, dab, dab. And this highlighter is insane. And it's vegan. All of this stuff is vegan. You guys already know that. And cruelty free. Nothing is tested on animals. Isn't that cool? Cute. But yeah, I can just go over the areas where your bones kind of protrude on your face. So cheekbones, eyebrow bones, just the bone of your nose, or that's cartilage. And then chin, and I like to dab a little bit on my cupid's bow as well. A lot of you in my video that I made about greenwashing brands, you were really distraught with the fact that I mentioned Lush. And just because I mentioned Lush, it doesn't mean that you shouldn't shop there. It's just the fact that they claim to be more natural than they really are. That's just it. I wasn't going after Lush. I wasn't telling anyone to not buy from Lush. It's just be aware. What greenwashing is, it's just advertising something that isn't true. And specifically when it comes to environmental or health, benefits. Don't hate it. The only thing I would change is probably, I think I would prefer it without the eyeliner, to be honest. Let me just put my hair down and let's see the final result. I'll just add a little bit more. So nice. I don't know what you can see on the camera, but it looks really nice in real life. This is the final look. Do you like? Am I coming out a bit too dark? Is the lighting terrible? Yes. Yes to all of those questions. I hope you enjoyed watching this little vegan, cruelty-free, as natural as possible makeup tutorial, and let me know in the comments if you want to see more of these. Hopefully not, because it's a pain in the ass to film. I've been here for many hours, and that's Gigi talking to birds in the background. This is a wild house, so I'm just gonna end the video right now. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video, comment below, and subscribe for more videos related to sustainability and veganism, cruelty-free living, and all that kind of stuff. And I'm gonna see you guys very soon. Bye bye. Woo! Hooey! I got possessed by Mickey Mouse. Goodbye.